Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to sort higher to lower in Excel. I have the fruit name and their prices in front of them. So in the first method you need to select a single cell in the column containing the numbers you want to sort like this one, and then go to the data tab on the top ribbon and look for the sort and filter section and click the Z to A button. It's like a down arrow, and click the expand the selection or the continue with the current selection. Click on the continue with the current selection and click sort. So Excel will instantly sort that column from highest to lowest and automatically reorder the rest of the rows, so your data stays matched up. Let me undo that, and in the another way you need to select the cell you want to sort and then right click and click on the sort and click on the sort largest to smallest. Click OK. If you want extra control or need to sort by multiple levels, then you need to select your data range including headers and then go to the data tab and click the main sort button. So in the pop-up window, you need to make sure my data has header should be checked. And under the column, you need to select the price which you want to sort it. And in the sorter, you want to select the cell values. And in the order, click on this arrow and select the largest to smallest. Click OK to proceed. And here you can see that the data has sorted higher to the lower level in Excel. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can sort higher to lower in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.